Here's a quick video on how to replace the battery in your Nissan key fob. This is out of a Nissan Rogue. You're going to need one of the 2032 batteries, and you can get these off Amazon. I've put a link below in the description that will take you straight there. I'm also going to be using a small flat tip screwdriver. So on this back side here, you want to push this latch down and pull your mechanical key out. Once you have that out, you want to take your small screwdriver and insert it right here. You can either pry on either side, doesn't matter, and then work that around until you can split the two halves. Now you want to take your screwdriver and place it right here to remove the dead battery. New battery is going to go positive side facing downward. Make sure you get it under that first. Flip these back together and you can test it right here. Put our key back in. You can test right here, make sure you got your red light working, and there's no need to reprogram. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.